Hello, it's Yuto from SachiRecipes.com, and today I'm going to share with you a super quick and tasty recipe for Japanese wasabi pickled cucumber. I gotta say, this is one of my personal favorite pickles. And it only needs 4 ingredients, which are 300 grams of cucumbers, which is about 3 cucumbers, 40 grams of sugar, 12 grams of salt, 12 grams of wasabi paste, which I'd say is just a little bit more than half a teaspoon. These quantities are a little less than the recipe on our website, so if you want to make a bigger batch, click on the link in the description. Right, let's get straight to it. First, wash the cucumbers and cut the ends. Cut up the cucumber into large chunks so it stays crunchy. Make sure to keep the skin on too. You're probably quite surprised that these pickles are so quick. Well, there are actually 2 main types of pickles in Japan. There are Asazuke, which are quick pickles that are ready between a few hours and a couple days. These are fun to make. You can experiment with them and you don't have to wait long to try them. This wasabi pickled cucumber recipe is a type of Asazuke. Then there's nukaduke, which are pickled for much longer, at least 1 month. These pickles have a deep flavor and are fermented. Put the pieces of cucumber into a large Ziploc bag. Pickles are very important in traditional Japanese cuisine, and you see them as a side for many teishoku dishes. The general term for Japanese pickle is Tsukemono. Tsukemono are often eaten with a meal because they're supposed to aid digestion. Add 40 grams of sugar, 12 grams of salt, and 12 grams of wasabi paste. Rub the ingredients all over the cucumber. Try and make sure all of the cucumber is covered. You can do this from the outside of the Ziploc bag. There's no need to get your hands dirty. Wasabi pickled cucumbers are one of my favorites. It has a distinctive spiciness of wasabi with nicely sweet flavor of standard Japanese pickle. Once it's all covered, seal the bag and leave in the fridge for 12 hours before eating. If you're impatient like me, you might start eating them after 6 hours, but you really want to wait until the next day to really enjoy them. And that's it. Keep it in the fridge and eat within 1 week. You can enjoy this wasabi pickled cucumber as a side with a kick. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you want to check out written version of this recipe, please check the link in the description below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Have a good day everyone, see you in the next recipe video.